Yeah, people. So, I'm at the spot. I say, delivery, no people. Delivery. What I say? No deliver that. No deliver clear too. And then know it. Door to door. Yeah. Out. Out there now. Aye. We don't have the limitations to on the deliver. None of that.
All when the road ends.
Oh. My, are you what? Cleared. Yo, people.
We keeping it cool over here.
Yay. Oh, this is say ship with cleared. All right.
Come sorry.
He can't set so.
Thanks. What a friend, you see man?
But you call us you're working with them.
Child labor.
Yeah, Alay, want upgrade too. Yo, want like that sign? Like that sign there.
You know what stand for? Better me walk.
Yo, peeps, today is Sunday and I got some good news for y'all. You see me? I'm gonna introduce you guys to maybe one or two, businesses that are out there now supporting me. So, you know what I mean? It's going right back. And I'm also gonna be updating y'all on what's next for Riri. Alright peeps, so now that Riri is clean, woo, shining, bling. So now that she's clean, I'm introducing you to the first company that I wanted to talk about. Just Beat It. So obviously they've been paying attention to my vlogs. They saw what I liked, you know what I mean? They reached out, sent me some cool beads, you know what I mean? I'm gonna show you them, cinematically on the screen, if that's even a word, you know what I mean? Go follow, go like, purchase if you're into this kind of stuff like I am, you know what I mean? They do some really great beads, people. You see me? Check them out. Alright peeps, so we are gonna get today, what y'all came here for. So, sun kind of bright, but it's this box behind me. You know what I mean? Y'all are probably wondering what's inside. Some of y'all already know what's inside. Some of y'all are speculating. If y'all been on my Instagram story, you'll see the ideas of what people think is inside the box. But it's time for the reveal. So, people, let's see what's in the box. Alright peeps, so now that the cinematics is over, I'm going to introduce it to another company on Instagram. Well, you can't call them company, I have to call them business. I've been saying company but a business. You know what I mean? That alright, for people like me, car people, I'm referring to you and the females that are watching these inspirational scents. Now for the car man, them house full of car parts. You know what I mean? And your house smell like car parts. If you want to smell like tire, you want to smell like oil, whatever it is you keep in your house. These inspirational scents, she carry everything you can think about. If you make your house or your car or your environment smell nice, go over to Instagram, check her out. Trust me, I just only one day. Yeah peeps, I'm also giving away this on behalf of these inspirational scents. It's a pluggable fragrance warmer. It's basically just plugs into your socket, you know what I mean? You put some scented wax on the top, it melts and making your room smell fresh. You see me? Simple thing, just follow her page, follow my page, hashtag smell good in the comment section. You see me? The winner, I'll ship this out to you. Simple, 1 3. Alright peeps, it's that time. Let's unbox everything. I mean, show you all what is here. Alright peeps, so I don't think I need to elaborate as to how I got these. You know what I mean? Your boy has been teamed up with Maxpeedingrods for some time now. It's another package. You see me? Big up to Maxpeedingrods again for sponsoring this build. Trust me people, there's a lot more to come. Watch what's going on. Alright peeps, so first box, intercooler piping. Yes sir, y'all know what that is. Yep, this one seems to be the downpipe. And this is blow off valve. So it's a blow off valve, some hose, gaskets and attachments. Yep. And in this box, turbo controller, boost control. Yep, boost control peeps, along with vacuum hose, attachments. Yep, all the accessories. Next, right, so we got the pipe that the blow off valve goes on. Yep, also got a boost gauge. I mean, basically monitoring boost. That's what this is going to be doing. Alright, so we got some gaskets and gasket. Alright, so this is the intercooler. Cools the air that travels through the system, you see me? Alright peeps, so inside that envelope we got, look like dash 10 AN fittings, you know what I mean, steel braided hose, most likely for the oil return. You see me? More gaskets, more screws, more necessary things used to fit up the kit. Let me pick up again. Max speeding, focus on performance. So yeah, peeps, something y'all probably already know about Maxpeedingrods. I'm actually carry a variety of stuff, you know, on their website. The link is gonna be in the description below, so y'all can check it out when you're ready. But yeah, man, them do some really nice products, you see me? Alright, peeps. So last but not least, creme de la creme, the bad boy. The turbo, you see me? This I gotta create all of the dopey them. Jaja, hold on. Yeah, people, so here we are. Turbo. Yo, the rep on this excellent, fam. This look nice. Can't wait to drop this one in the car and see what it really does. Alright, peeps, so there's one thing y'all should note. This kit doesn't come with a manifold, so that you'll have to be getting, you know, separately. But aside from that, it seems like, you know, this Maxpeedingrods universal kit comes with everything you don't need to fit up except for a manifold, you see me? So yeah, just the note. Yeah, peeps, so because I didn't get a turbo manifold with the kit, I mean, I have to pick up True Boost, you see me, provide the manifold, you see me. Now I know where True Boost is located, and I mean, give us a support. Drop it on the screen, you see me, but you don't know, me have to big him up, you see it. And for y'all wondering or have that burning question, I've been to try ask if me still a go okay. Yes, me still a go okay, people, but I'm supposed to be serious before, you know what I mean? It is what it is. The world not ending no don't cuss, you see me? Just know that be serious first, be serious boost, have some fun with that, and then we see where we go from this one. I heard once you go boost, there's no going back, so let's see. So peeps, this brings it to the end of this week's vlog, you know what I mean? If y'all like the video, smash that thumbs up, you know, subscribe, share it with a friend, you see me? And I guess upcoming, you know, what y'all will be seeing is everything being fitted on the car, you know, and all of the niceness, you see me? But I thank y'all again for tuning in. Appreciate every single one of y'all. Big up on yourself. We're out.